when it comes to educational part, when I understood how the structure should be and how the finances should be shown to the visa agency, I did to the visa offices. So I decided to go with the education loan. And then since I was in Qatar, the only challenge which I faced is I was not in India while the process was happening. I was here in Qatar. So I know. So first, what I was trying to understand, if I want to make this process easier and to complete within the deadline, the agencies whomever I'm approaching, the companies should be flexible, to understand my requirement and help me better. So on that way, I started working on. So I did Google a couple of financial agencies, and whatever I have finalized, and I know that whatever what I was looking for and what was easy to get, and with the number of documents I have, then I have finalized Avance Financial Services. Because of the team which who handled my case, I never felt it that way. If this was possible for me sitting in Qatar and getting an education loan, it's because of the team. I wouldn't say it's because of the documents which I've submitted. It's because of the team who handled my case. I would say not even one time my call was missed, or even if it was not answered, they made sure that they called me back. This distance was actually nothing because of the team which handled my case, who handled my profile. So they made it like it is easier to get a loan sitting in abroad. One is be prepared and understand the country which you're going to be. Do a lot of research about it, because it is always not only the visa, because you're going to spend your another sweet time over there in the country. So I understand that first, and then try to finalize the financials before you get inside, because the moment you're into it and then you're planning your financials, it is going to take a lot of time. You might miss one or two intakes. There are possibilities. Plan things always well in ahead. Know about it, research, ask a lot of people, which is completely fine. A lot of avenues right now, unlike before. When I was doing 10 years before, the agency was the only person if I wanted to, if you want to check about something. But right now, there are a lot of avenues where we can reach out and speak with people and connect. So make best use of it, as we are living in at the right time, where we have a lot of technologies available. So make best use of it. So these are the three things. Be clear and be very consistent on trying for this, and do not really give room for any negative, comments or the things whichever you find in the way. Keep your vision clear, set a goal, and then set a timeline and work towards it. That will help better. Jot down the points, prepare the checklist, write down what exactly you're going to do within that particular timeline so that you don't miss it. I know it might sound complicated, but it's a clear process.